Right? And guys, hey guys, hey guys.
Let's do the flash dance. Let's do the flash dance. Hey!
Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hi guys, so this right here is Dr. Seuss week, and Ariana went to school and she made this nice little cat in the hat and she didn't want to show it. So, Mommy's gonna show it.
Philly!
Okay guys, so today, once you see Aaliyah, you know it's gonna be some fun video. Honestly speaking, when Aaliyah gets a little older, she'll be involved in more of our videos. But
she never comes in our videos. So we're making vegetable pizza that's square. So we let her come in our pizza video and all that stuff. Yeah.
All right. Okay, so I cannot control both girls over the stove, so it's better to have one than two. But when you see Aaliyah, you know that it's some big fun video that's about to get started, alright? Alright guys, so today, guys, you know what we're going to do today? What are we going to make today?
Pizza! Vegetable pizza!
Vegetable pizza! Do you know the song that goes with the pizza? Do you remember that song? What song?
Vegetable pizza!
Ready? Pizza party! Pizza! Pizza party! First you take the dough and you knead it, you need it, you need it, need it, need it. Pizza, come on, say it, Mommy. They don't want to sing it. Ready?
Pizza party!
Alright, pizza, pizza party. Pizza,
Pizza party!
Mama, it seems like Mommy's the only one that has some good vibes today. What's going on? You don't have any good vibes? Come on, we can sing better than that, right, Aaliyah?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Pizza!
Pizza party! Pizza! Pizza party! Alright, okay guys, so our ingredients, very simple, quick recipe. We got
We need this first!
we got a
We need a mixture!
we got a Pillsbury dough. Okay, we're just gonna get a nice square. It's gonna be a square pizza. Square
So
bacon.
we need a square dish or
Right.
pizza.
A square dish. We got our broccoli florets.
And we got some bell pepper and we got some
Carrots.
sour cream and carrots.
Well, guys, this is cream cheese, right? But you can mix the cream cheese with sour cream and garlic powder and do it if you need to as well. But I don't like all that extra stuff. I just like the cream cheese. And when we're finished, we're going to top it with some shredded cheese. All right, guys. So quick and easy recipe. So let's get our Pillsbury dough unrolled, and we will get down to the action. Okay? We'll be right back. All right? Pizza!
Pizza party!
Woo! Pizza!
Pizza party! Let's do the
Woo.
flash dance. Let's do the flash
Let's do the
dance.
flash dance. I can't do that dance. Get our...
I want to open.
Okay, we both can share and do it, okay? Alright. Okay, alright, ready?
Yeah.
We gotta squeeze it. Ready? Squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Alright. Alright, let's hang on. Let's not stretch too much because I don't want you girls to get this
Too
too.
big.
That's okay. So guys, I can't locate Aaliyah's apron, so Mommy has to go without the apron today and then Ariana use Mommy's. Okay, hang on. No. We don't do anything without following instructions first, right? Okay guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to get an ungreased baking pan, a square one preferably. That's the oven right there. Right, so we're going to find the beginning. Alright, so hang on, wait. Right? So here, okay. Here we go, guys. Alright? Hang on, let me start it and we're going to finish it. Okay. A little bit closer. Alright, so we're ready? Unroll it. Slowly. We gotta go slow. We can't move too fast, okay? So what we're going to do right now is we're going to get our bowl, get the white bowl. All right.
I was scooping.
All right. Hang on. Alia, get your thing. Come over here. All right. Okay, hang on. One at a time. So Ariana, you go first since you're the big sister. All right. Little one should go first, really. All right. That's one. Okay. Alia, your turn. Mommy, hold your hand. All right. That's cream cheese. No, lick it. You can use your finger and scoop it because you know you got all the persons that are going to get pizza. So you can be having all the persons. Okay. All right. So. Okay. Just a little bit more and then put it in the dish, okay? Okay guys, so we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Right? A little bit of garlic powder. Then we're going to... This is your spoon, okay? Okay, hang on, stop. We got to work together as a team, okay? Alright. So, Ariana, mommy's over here. You just mix it up. Mix it up, stir. Mix it up, stir. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do, guys, is this, right? The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to get this, alright? Mommy's going to put this over here, right? And put this close. So guys, if we need more cream cheese, we have more cream cheese right here. Let me mix this a little. We're going to combine the garlic. And like I said, you are persons that combine garlic with the cream cheese and they combine the sour cream and they have dill weed, but mommy just likes the cream cheese. Okay? Ready? Alright, so what we're going to do right now is don't put it in your mouth, okay? No spoon in your mouth. What we're going to do, guys, we're going to take some cream cheese, right? And we're going to take some cream cheese and we're going to spread, okay? So Aliyah, here's some cream cheese for you. We're going to spread, okay? So we're going to spread the cream cheese. Spread the cream cheese all over the pizza. And guys, don't pay attention to the kids like licking the spoon and put it there. This is for them. We always make a second batch of stuff when we make it, okay? Alright, so let's not get too sloppy with it. Okay, we gotta be very careful. So look, mommy can't flash in her hand and all that stuff. Stop it. Listen. Mommy's not flashing in her hand or doing all that stuff. I'll leave her try not to flash. You're trying to not because if you flash, you don't splash them all over the wall, okay? So look at mommy. See how gentle mommy's going? And let me give you girls some more cream cheese. Okay? Here, mommy, give me some more cream cheese. Alright? Ready? Okay guys, so we're gonna spread the cream cheese on our pizza. Alright guys, so this is what we're going to do, guys. So I finished spreading the vegetable and we'll clean that up a little. I try to clean as I go along. Okay, so now the girls, what are we gonna do? We're going to put the vegetable on the pizza and then we're going to put our shredded cheese on the pizza and then we're going to put it in the oven.
Are you guys happy?
See how quick that video is? Alright. Okay, so now, hang on. Alright, so which vegetable do we want to put on first? The carrots? Okay, hang on. So listen, you can't just throw it on. You gotta sprinkle a little, okay? So sprinkle a little all over. Alright? Alia, come over here and come and help. Come this way. So guys, basically what we're going to do is we're going to put our vegetables on, right? So we're going to, let me help the girls, sprinkle our carrots on there, shredded carrots. No, that's too much. Just a little, come here. This. And, right? Sprinkle the carrots all over. You can put whatever vegetable you want to put. People can put.
I want carrots.
Tomato.
I want bell peppers.
Okay. Alright, you ready for the bell peppers? Go ahead and put the bell peppers on. Right, go ahead. So we're going to go ahead and put our bell peppers on. No, girls, you can't be messy. Okay. Alright. So, okay, you're stretching too far. Come over here. Okay? Alright, Aliyah, you move over. Your sister can stay. Alright, so take the handful and you sprinkle. want to eat the carrot. Alright guys, so you basically get the idea. We're going to come back, we're going to put our shredded cheese on there, and we're going to put it in the oven and bake for about 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? Alright, so now guys, we are done putting the vegetables on. We're going to, okay, listen, hang on. We need to learn to work together, okay? And this doesn't apply as you being only sisters only. It's going to apply when you get in life and you get old, okay? Alright, so girls, now we're going to put the shredded cheese on, okay? So we're going to sprinkle the cheese, guys, and we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven. Alright, not too much cheese, not too much. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like, okay? Now I'm going to try my best to clean around it. We're going to put it in the oven, and then we'll be right back to see what it looks like. Okay? Alright guys, as you can see, that's what it looks like, and I've started to cut it to let you see what it looks like. I'm going to cut it up in nice little squares, and then you can see your final product. Do the floss. Do the floss first. Do the floss. Do the floss. Why I'm probably take a pizza. Do the floss. Why I'm going to take a pizza. My floss. Why I'm going to take a pizza. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Right? That was our move your hand. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys later, okay? Say bye.